evening to all present here. I, Ms. Chaitali Rane, welcome you all to the great grand event of the academic year 2025-26 NEMS Annual Day, the Cultural Feast. I take this opportunity to introduce you all to the annual activities conducted in school during the academic year 2025-26 for the kindergarten section of a National English Medium School in Nadgive, Talere and Umbade branches. Respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed guests, dear parents and my lovely little stars, good evening to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report of the kindergarten section for the academic year 2025-26. The kindergarten years are the foundation of child's learning journey, and this year has been truly joyful, creative and full of wonderful experiences. Our tiny tots steps into school with curiosity, and today they stand more confident, expressive and independent. In pre-primary section, we provide a safe, happy and child-friendly environment where children feel comfortable, confident and excited to come to school every day. Our teachers are not just educators but second parents who guide children with love and understanding. Learning here happens through playway and activity-based methods. Children learn alphabets, numbers and basic concepts through games, rhymes, stories, pictures and hands-on activities. This makes learning enjoyable and helps in developing their language, thinking and motor skills. Throughout the year, learning was made fun through activity-based learning, storytelling, rhymes, art and craft, music, dance and hands-on experiences. The children develop early skills in language, numeracy, fine motor coordination and social interaction. Special days such as Colors Day, Yoga Day, Science Day, Environment Day, festivals and theme-based activities were celebrated with great enthusiasm, helping children learn values, culture and teamwork in a joyful manner. Our students also participated in sports activities and outdoor play, which contributed to their physical development and discipline. We are proud to see them grow not just academically but emotionally and socially as well. This progress would not have been possible without the constant support of our respected principal, the management, the cooperation of parents who work hand in hand with us throughout the year. I take this opportunity to appreciate the dedicated efforts of my fellow teachers and staff whose love, patience and commitment has shaped these young minds. As we conclude this academic year, we are confident that our little learners are ready to move ahead with curiosity, confidence and smiles on their faces. We sincerely thank our management for their guidance, our dedicated teachers for their hard work and our supportive parents for their continuous cooperation. Now, I hand over the mic to Mrs. Trupti Satwalkar ma'am to update you all about the annual activities of primary and secondary section. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome all to Adarsha Education Society's National English Medium School, Nadgive, and NEMS Smart Kids grand event of annual day with the beautiful theme Bollywood. I take this privilege to welcome all the dignitaries, parents, dear students. I stand before you to present the annual report of primary and secondary section activities conducted during this academic year of 2025-26. School resumed in June and the activities conducted are as follows. International Yoga Day, followed by Environment Week, which included essay writing, poster making competition. Student Council is formed to inculcate the value of democracy in students and to use the post given to learning the responsibility towards the school and fellow students. All the student council members get their badges and posts to investiture ceremony. Guru Purnima was celebrated which showcased student Sanskrit Shok Competition, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day and Hindi Day were celebrated, focusing on introducing and inculcating various values of Indian culture and nation's love in our coming generation. Gandhi Ji and Shastri Ji Jayanti, Saraswati Pujan, annual sports meets were conducted with great enthusiasm. Annual school picnic was organized at Ratnagiri's Aqua Wild Water Park for 1 day and Raigad, Pratapgarh and Mahabaleshwar for 2 days. New introductions. This academic year 2025-26, I am proud to announce that the new graded subject Scout and Guide was introduced in the school. This year, few social awareness activities like Raksha Bandhan, Natural Disaster Awareness Rally, 1-day Scout and Guide camp were conducted. Outstanding performances. Girls group of standard 8 and 9 pocketed second position at Pandur and first position in district level singing competition at Kankauli. Students of standard 1st to 9 showcased excellent performance in the inter-school speech competition which was conducted on 31st December 2025. At Kondiye, 6 students secured first, second, third and consolation trophies. Students excelled in drawing competitions and received several medals and trophies in different categories. We feel proud that the student also enrolled for competitive exams like Olympiad, scholarship exam and elementary and intermediate drawing exams. To conclude, I will mention few pending activities which will be conducted in coming months like Marathi Day, Science Day, quizzes and Taekwondo belt exam. With this information, I would like to inform all that the tasks and events which are planned and executed are all student-centric and for their individual overall development. With these words, I hand over all the charge of annual day further announcement to Mr. Omkar Gadgil sir. Thank you everyone.